Hey everyone, it's John here with Currency.com, and in this video we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to compare Currency.com with Bitmex.com. I have used many crypto exchanges over the years, and from my experience, the Currency.com platform is overall the best I've used so far. And I did choose Bitmex to compare because Bitmex has been a top exchange for traders over the years, and I once was a user myself, so I am pretty familiar with the platform and pretty familiar with the currency platform. So I'll put both side to side and have a look. But it is now 2021. A lot has changed through crypto exchanges, and Currency.com continues to innovate, push forward, and bring out new products. But unfortunately for Bitmex, things have been the same now for a few years. So stay tuned as we go over how to open a trade on each platform, the fees and commissions, leverage options, available markets, regulations and security, and then I'll open up the apps and have a look at both. Let's jump in and have a look. And one more thing before we get started, smash that like button if you haven't already. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, hit that subscribe button so you can also stay tuned to other videos that we do post on the channel. Okay, so now I have both platforms pulled up here. On the left, I have Currency.com, and on the right, we have Bitmex. Okay, so let's start comparing the two. First thing we'll talk about is order execution. The Currency.com platform, you can see the UI is pretty friendly. The order execution is smooth, and you don't have to worry about server overloads. You can see you find your pair that you want to trade, click buy or sell, and it's pretty simple here. All your selections here before opening a trade. Here on Bitmex, you can see they have their pairs listed right up here, up top. And right here is where you would place your order, buy, sell, the amount of leverage you want to use. So basically exact same thing as here on Currency.com, but I'll let you guys decide which side you think looks like a more simplified experience. And the next thing looking at here is the spreads. On Currency.com, you can see Bitcoin, they are pretty tight, only a few dollars off. And Ethereum is even better with just a few cents off. It does work a little bit different compared to Bitmex, where you have your mark price and the index price where it's 627, here's 626. Not too far off. There is more liquidity on Bitmex, but also you don't have the problem of server overloads on Currency.com. So if price action moves a bit crazy, you don't have to worry about your order not getting filled or you getting stopped out for a position that wasn't supposed to get stopped out. Okay, so now let's talk about fees between the two. You can see for Currency.com, the cryptos taker fee, 0.075%. Maker fee is minus 0.025%, which is the same as Bitmex here. As you can see, 0.0250 and 0.750. Currency.com also does have quite a few promotions, which offer 0% fees for 3 months of trading when you open a new account. Now let's talk about leverage on each platform. So on Currency.com, there's leverage from 2x all the way to 100x. And on Bitmex, pretty much the same options all the way up to 100x for Bitcoin. But if you have a look at Ethereum here, Bitmex only offers leverage for Ethereum up to 50x, where on Currency.com, if you have a look quickly here, you can see that the same amount of leverage is available for Bitcoin and Ethereum up to 100x. Okay, so now let's look at available markets to trade on each platform. So first, have a look here at Currency.com. There is over 1,400 markets to trade, all the way from tokenized indexes, tokenized shares, cryptocurrencies, and currency pairs, and even commodities and government bonds. All are available to trade with leverage up to 20x, with 50 and 100x for Bitcoin and Ethereum. And if you look here on Bitmex, there's not too much to choose from outside of crypto, that's for sure. There is, of course, Bitcoin and Ethereum and a few of the top altcoins, plus some other pairs trading against Bitcoin. So Currency.com does win on that one with over 1,000 more available markets to trade with leverage. Okay, so now let's talk about depositing and withdrawing from each exchange. So on Currency.com, you have a few options to deposit with. You can deposit Ethereum, Bitcoin, US dollar, the euro, the pound, the Russian ruble, and the Belarus ruble to be able to use as collateral to trade with. You can also use Visa or MasterCard or wire transfer from your bank to deposit any of those fiat currencies. And the good thing about depositing those fiat currencies is there is zero deposit commission. And Bitmex, on the other hand, they only accept deposits in Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is the only option to use for collateral on your trading account. So we have another clear winner there with Currency.com, showing more options to choose from in terms of how you want to trade, what currency you want to use for your trading account, and how you want to deposit or withdraw. Now let's move on to regulation, security, and client protection. So Bitmex has about zero regulation and oversight and is registered in Seychelles, while Currency.com, on the other hand, has presence in the UK, Gibraltar, and Belarus, and Currency.com undergoes annual audits from Ernst & Young and operates under the administration of the High Tech Park of Belarus, which is one of the most developed European crypto regulators who also act on customer complaints if necessary. And you can also look on Currency.com/regulation-FAQ. All the questions here regarding regulation can be answered, including the safety of customer funds and the security. But as for Bitmex, I can't really speak much on the security and how secure they are, but there has been a few issues over the years regarding regulation and security for Bitmex, including here last year, there was a big data leak, which leaked thousands of clients' emails all across the world. And reported here on Cointelegraph, about 22,000 Bitmex users were likely exposed online. And before we wrap this video up, let's have a quick look at the mobile app on Currency.com, and then we'll also look at the mobile version of Bitmex and see which has a smoother experience. So here's the Currency.com mobile app. You can see here the crypto pairs. Pretty simple user interface. Let's click Bitcoin. 1 minute chart we're looking at here. Let's say you want to long, click buy. Choose your position size, your leverage. Basically almost the exact same as the web app. You can see down below you have a few options. There's the leverage, there's exchange. This is pretty much the spot market. Portfolio, this is where you would view your balance, your trades that you have, your wallets with all your funds. And search, this is where you would search for a stock. Let's search Tesla. See it right there. Market is currently closed. Pre-market opens in 3 hours. But yeah, the mobile app for Currency.com. It is pretty simple to use. Very clean user interface. Let's move on to Bitmex. Now let's have a look at the mobile version of Bitmex. You can see here it's not really that user-friendly. You would need to be a more experienced trader to use a platform like this. And to open a trade, almost the same thing. You would put in your position size here. And to see what is available to trade, you would just click on this drop down here. So overall, again, you can see the user interface is clearly better on Currency.com, which does give you a better experience, which is important when trading to be able to see everything clearly. And if you are interested in the Currency.com platform, just head over to Currency.com, click sign up. There's a $50 welcome bonus, fully regulated, up to 500 times leverage if you include the Forex pairs. And it is an award-winning platform. Overall, where you want to be trading at, commissions are great, user interface is great. And this is the world's first exchange like this that is fully regulated. There's much more features, including charting tools, so much more to talk about on here. But I'll let you guys see it for yourselves. Head over to Currency.com, sign up for an account, and try it out.